1, 2, 3.
I think this is it.
Oh, look at the rust.
But the body's still here. Look at this. It's an R8.
I've never seen one like it. It's a Renault 8.
I can't believe it's still here. What have we here? A Renault 8. She's been here a while.
Good progress, it looks terrible.
Yeah, definitely a challenge. Looks like it's been here a while.
Look at this thing, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
There's the manifold you mentioned. Yeah. Let's get a closer look at this timing belt.
All right, here's the engine. It's a mess, but
We can do this. Where should we start?
first we clear all this debris. Pass me the pliers.